guys, for today's video, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-subtract ng whole number by a mixed number. Okay. Okay, number 1, we have 10 minus 3 and 2/5. Okay, 3 and 2/5. I-review lang muna natin yung mga natutunan natin noon. Okay, usually, ito yung ginagawa natin noon. Okay, so 10, i-copy the number 10, minus, and then gawin natin tong improper fraction, itong mixed number na to. So 3 times 5 equals 15, plus 2, 17 over 5. That's 17 over 5 all over 5. Okay, tapos kunin lang LCD. Okay, ang LCD ng 1, because understood may 1 dito sa denominator ng 10. So 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5 times 10 is 50. Tapos minus, and then 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 17 is 17. Subtract natin sila. So, meron tayong 50 minus 17 is 33. Ayan, 33 divided by 5. This is improper fraction. So, balik tayo sa mixed number. Okay? So, mixed number natin to. Ang 33 over 3/5 is 6 ba? No? 6, no? 6 and 3/5. May remainder 3 tayo. 6 times 3 is 30. Ayan, so ito po yung answer natin. Okay? So, ito yung method noon. Okay? Why not subukan natin ang trick na ito? Trick, no? Subukan natin ang trick na ito. So, the given is 10 minus 3 and 2/5. Okay. Note, ang denominator natin is 5. It is very easy kung in subtracting or adding a fraction if similar fraction sila. So, pareho ang denominator. Okay. Take note na ang 10 is 9 plus 1 yan. Okay, 9 plus 1. 10 is 9 plus 1. So, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay? And that is, enclose lang natin yan ha, para ma-separate siya. That's equal to 10. Minus 3 and 2/5. Ayan po, 3 and 2/5. 9, we copy 9. Note, ang 5 is, ang 1 is 5 over 5. Bakit 5 ang denominator na ginagamit natin? Kasi, 5 ang denominator dito. Okay? So, that is plus 5 over 5. That's 5 over 5. 10 po ito. This is 10. 9 plus 1 lang yan. Okay? Minus 3 and 2/5. Minus 3 and 2/5. Okay? So, bali, meron tayong 9, 5 over 5, minus 3 and 2/5. Okay na. So, para similar fraction na sila. Okay? Subtract natin tong 9 at saka 3. So, 9 minus 3, 6. No? 6. Then, subtract 5 and 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And then, we copy the similar denominators sa 5. So, the answer is 6 and 3/5. So, pareho lang sila. Number 2, we have 6 minus 1 and 4 over 7. Okay, notice 6 can be written as 5, 7 over 7. 6 po yan. Okay? Minus, 7 ang ginagamit natin kasi the denominator 7. Ayan po, no? 7. So, minus 4 over 7. Okay, so pareho na denominator. 5 minus 1, of course, 4. And then 7 minus 4 is 3. And then we copy the similar denominators sa 7. So, the answer is 4 and 3, 7. So, 4 and 3 over 7. Okay, let's continue. Item number 3. Okay, item number 3. Okay, subtract 9 by 2 and 4/5. Okay, notice 9 can be written as 8, 5 over 5. Okay, minus 2, 4 over 5. 8 minus 2, of course, 6. 5 minus 4, 1. And then we copy the similar denominators of 5. So the answer is 6 and 1/5. Easy lang, di ba? 6 and 1/5. Okay, so, task ninyo is to answer item number 5. Okay, write your answer in the comment section.